Well, this is not something I've ever seen before. This is Louise, and she's getting set to lay an egg, obviously. Just come in the barn and found her. I thought she was hurt. Never seen her laying with her legs out like that. But you can see the egg ready to vent, getting set to be laid. It's also kind of unusual for our geese to be laying this time of year. Come on, Louise, you got her. She's thinking like, this is quite an imposition on my privacy, bud. You'll see when the egg is out why she's struggling so much. These goose eggs are rather large. I don't know what people are going to think of this video, but I thought she was hurt. What's that? She hasn't. You haven't got any eggs though recently from her, have you? I honestly don't know, Joe. Poor girl. Just about got it. There we go. There we go. Ah, that must feel better. She's exhausted now. So there is my hand holding the egg. You can see the size of it. So you get a chicken egg right there for comparison. Sorry, we're just in the process of doing the chores here this morning. So Joe, just set that chicken egg in my hand there if you would. So there's a chicken egg by comparison. And I know what everyone's going to ask. Are they edible? Yes, of course they're edible. They're just a lot more yolk and a lot more white. So that'll be breakfast. That'll make a breakfast omelet for both Jill and I. All right, see you folks.